Meaning of frame of reference.
Frame of reference.
Frame of reference.
Frame of reference.
Frame of reference. A frame of reference is a set of criteria or a point of view from which observations or measurements are made. It provides a context for interpreting data and determining the significance of an event or phenomenon. In scientific experiments, the choice of a frame of reference can affect the outcome of the study. Different observers may have different frames of reference, leading to different conclusions. Understanding the limitations and assumptions of a particular frame of reference is crucial for accurate interpretation of data and avoiding bias.